Okay, now the figure we're going to discuss, of course, is JJ Arms. Now, anybody who has collected any particular toy that was produced, especially for Ideal Toys. Now, originally somebody told me that JJ Arms was most likely in Captain Action body. You know, there's Captain Action and there was Action Boy. And I've seen videos how to restring a Captain Action figure. Well, unfortunately, as I will show you right now, I don't think that's necessarily the case. that it's the right body. Okay, this is JJ Arms from the waist down. Okay, now he may have the same base articulation at the arms, but unfortunately inside, right there, look at that. That is not possible. You cannot restring this because you would have to crack it open through the base inside. So, you know, the thing is, I think I have an idea how to do it, which would have to using hooks and elastic stringing. And unfortunately, I'm not going to do it today because I don't have the materials, because I got to be able to get the rest of the dried up. Here is a good example. This material here, which almost looks like a rubber band mechanism. So basically, he wasn't strung up with any kind of elastic material. So now you know exactly what's inside of a JJ Arms action figure. It's technically sorry, tongue-tied again. It's a rubber band structure. That is nothing more than a dried up rubber band. Because here in the legs section is what exactly I was talking about. You know, it's like, but I don't know how they did this. I mean, because here you go. See? That is basically a rubber band. That's how these things are strung up. They basically used rubber bands all the way through the body structure. So my idea is that once I get the rest of this out of here, I'm going to devise like the bottom of a pin, like a thumbtack pin. That's a round metal cylinder-like base. I want to go ahead and do that, but have a hooky on it, a hook on it, so that way maybe even take it and fold it, get it inside there, make sure it's strong enough to stick inside the leg, pull that up all the way from the base of the leg, of course through the torso area, because once I get this out, and then I will literally hook it and thread it through here and pull it back down. So when that process is done, that should restabilize JJ Arms so he won't have a loose back, so to speak, because that's the problem with him. He has a loose back. Most of the figures you'll see of JJ Arms is, now that we know what's inside of it, it's really just a rubber band, a dried up rubber band, I'm sure by most people. You know, it's not going to keep forever, and he'll droop and sloop, and he can't stand for anything. So, but that's my idea for JJ Arms. Because like I want to have a loose one. Eventually, I'll try to get a boxed one. But unfortunately, the last two that I really wanted have finally sold. You never can tell. There could be another one coming up here pretty soon in the near future. I know what the one guy paid for it, because he was, well, I don't want to say a bad word in the video, but he kind of pissed me off because he had no intentions of keeping it. He just wanted to buy it to resell it. Okay, but that's it. So keep up on my JJ Arms restoration project, which I'll be starting that on here fairly soon. And I will step by step show you exactly how to restring it in a MacGyver-like setting, because the one particular seller who has Ideal Toys Captain Action and Action Boy restringing kit, well, now I know it won't work at all, because you can't get through that. You got to crack it open to get inside of his chest. And no, I'm not going to do it. But that's it, folks. That was the third and last unboxing, or in this case, explaining how to restore a JJ Arms action figure for today, on this Thursday. Woo, Vikings. Later. Oh, and by the way, thanks for everyone who's been liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos with like-minded collectors like myself. Because we all love our toys from the 70s. Woohoo! Check us out, JJ. No, just kidding. Bye now.